Well guys, I'm going to shed some light on a few things for you today. I know, bad joke, but what I'm really going to tell you about is some of the things I keep handy in my tractor because I tend to use them a lot. Some of them are there and they're an absolute necessity. Others are not necessarily a necessity, and I could probably, quite frankly, leave them here at the shop. But here they are. So one of the big things that I tend to use quite a bit is a little hammer. So I keep this in my tractor. This hammer is used for a bunch of things. Sometimes I get mud stuck places where I don't want it to be, and more likely it's ice stuck where I don't want it to be. So I bring this along, give that ice or mud a few taps, and it tends to fall away. Where this comes in real handy is the same place. My second tool comes in real handy, the flathead screwdriver, and that's when I'm trying to connect an implement to my loader. Now, if you know anything about these tractors with the quick release attachments, implements, you have to have a fairly flat surface on the back of the implement so that the loader can butt up smooth and tight against it. Sometimes you get ice in there or snow, and it really prevents the two locking pins from coming down into place. I use this as sort of a pry bar, sort of scratch away at that ice or mud, and I use this for the same reason. Conversely, sometimes I'm taking implements off my tractor and I really have a heck of a time because those locking pins that come down, sometimes even when I release the locking mechanism, the pins don't want to lift up. So what I do is I convince them with this old jobber. I just give them a few taps on the bottom of those pins and they tend to spring up out of the way. Thirdly, I like this tool. This is not a finesse tool. I'm not going to do any engine overhauls with this sucker. What this is my Get Me Home card. This thing is for when I have some sort of issue, whether I find a loose hose connection or maybe I have some sort of a loose nut somewhere. This will snug it up just enough so I can get back to the shop without having to walk back from wherever my tractor is. So that's what that's for. This could come in handy for a variety of things. I don't use it all that often, but when I do need it, it's there, and that's why I keep it on board. The fourth thing that I tend to keep on my tractor is a rag, and I'm gonna be honest with you, once in a while I leave the rag hanging off the tractor and then it goes missing for a month, or if it's winter, 6 months. So I tend to keep a rag on board, and that could be everything from an old shirt to an old toque to an old sock. Keep that on board just to keep things tidy, especially when I'm going around and greasing the tractor. I like to clean off the zerks before I pump some grease in there. And every once in a while I get grease where grease doesn't belong on the handles, and I take my rag and I wipe it off so I'm not touching it. So that's the fourth thing, the rag. The fifth thing is probably the most important thing you could have on your tractor, regardless of having anything else. It's going to be needed. What that is, it is a fire extinguisher. This fire extinguisher could potentially save not only my tractor, but it could also save my entire forest. If you picture the red pine forest out there in the middle of summer, it is bone dry. A single cigarette or a spark or anything would probably burn that entire forest down before I had time to run back to the shop to grab a fire extinguisher. So I keep this on board, and this will not only save my property, this has the potential to save this tractor. If you guys can imagine how long it takes for some sort of a leak to get out of hand and cause a big fire, it's not very long. So do yourself a favor, spend a few bucks, put one of these in your tractor before any of the other tools, because this ultimately could save your property, maybe save someone's life, and really gives you good peace of mind. So that's my 5 things that I tend to keep in my tractor. I really love this thing, and I figure why not keep it around as long as I can by keeping things like this and some of the other tools handy. If you guys have any things you keep in your tractor, by all means, put it down below in the comments. As always, I appreciate all you guys watching. I'm still learning every day, and that means I'm living. So put your 2 cents down below. I'd be happy to hear what you guys keep on board. Thanks for watching, folks. I'll see you all next time.